What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you how you can upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So let's start. First of all, you gotta go open Google and search for PC Health Check. What is this? It's just an app that you need to download to see if your PC meets the requirements of Windows 11 or not. Because if your PC does not meet the requirements, well, you cannot upgrade to Windows 11. Anyways, use the link in the description to download the app, and when you do download it, click on it here, and now it's installing it. Just wait a moment, and you see I opened it. What you're gonna do now is click on check now, and my PC does meet the requirements, which is great. Windows 11 is free and coming soon. Learn more about Windows 11 benefits, apps, and features that exceed minimum system requirements, and Windows 10 features that aren't available in Windows 11. So now I'm gonna just open Google again and search for Windows 11 download. Click on the Microsoft website, which is linked down in the description. And because your PC does meet the requirements, you're gonna download the Windows 11 installation assistant. Okay, now click on it and click on accept and install. And now my PC is just downloading Windows 11 like it should do. So if your PC is great, it does have a very good processor or a decent processor, it should download Windows 11 good and run it completely fine. Now I want to upgrade to Windows 11 now. I'm gonna click on cancel, but if you want, you can actually do it. Windows 11 will take a good moment to upgrade. It does take a long time, so make sure your PC is plugged in all the time, and do not watch your PC upgrading. Do something productive, because you're gonna spend like 7 hours to upgrade, which is a very long time. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video guys, make sure you subscribe and like, and I will catch you in the next one.